Alright guys, we're back with another one. This one got towed in yesterday. This is a yellow convertible, 91, 92, I believe 92. Any case, no start. Customer replaced the fuel pump because he had a bad fuel pump, and I guess from that point it had issues. It would kind of start and not start, and he was getting fuel at the line. So we're gonna give it a shot today. I had charged the battery up because the battery was dead, so let's give it a quick little start here and see what's going on. Got nothing there. All right. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna check fuel pressure. Power in the car is on. Let's see if we got something that cranking. Showing 10 psi over there, which means we ain't got none. I'll drop my gauge again back down to 0. No, it is not getting fuel. Alright, since we know we don't have fuel pressure, let's just make sure we got spark. So I'm going to call that one that, but before we rule the pump out, we need to do electrical testing. So one of the things that I found was I was fooling around with these relays, and as I'm touching, there's a clicking going on in there. So I'm like, okay, pull this shitty relay out. Just happen to have one laying around just because I'm like that. Pop that in there. Let's see what happens. Key's already on. Damn, fuel pressure just rose up to 40. God. It should be easy. Holler at me. I get you running. Ain't too bad. 30, 32. Alright. You know. Not running. All you had to pay was the diode fee. Come on. Ain't that bad. Now we got money left over to do upgrades.